I am Collar, co-founder of Sublime Trading. We specialize in helping high salary earners and CEOs get consistent returns in the stock market using a simple trend following strategy in just 60 minutes a week. Hi and welcome everyone. This is the first live stream I've done in a while, actually, having a few technical issues with our streaming software, but trying to pull through. So I thought I'd bring you a quick update today on Burberry. This is a UK stock, and the UK market is sort of lagging behind the US market. US market, we're seeing quite a number of stocks sailing through and creating new all-time highs, but the UK market is lagging behind. But there are a few gems in the mix, and one of them is Burberry, which I will go ahead and show you right now. So what you can see on the chart on the screen is the full screen setup for Burberry. So we have the top left hand chart, which is the monthly, top right hand chart, which is the weekly, and two charts along the bottom are the daily. So let's first look at the monthly time frame for Burberry. It does look quite messy here during this time period, but if I just zoom all the way out, we can see that it has performed really well in the past. So if you look at this low back in November 2008, price was this was November 2008. Price came down to a low of £1.65. So £1.65, and we can see from this point going forward the number of green candles, consistent green candles. So this formed a nice strong long-term trend. So all the way from November 2008 all the way through to July 2011, where price created a high at around £16. So that was quite a number of years, strong trend, and give us an idea of how the stock can perform. But you can see prior to this, so following this area here, so following this high that was created, price started to form a messy looking chart. It did consistently move slowly but surely to the upside. But as you can see, this was a very volatile period between 2011 and until this current breakout, the start of this year, to January 2023. Now we're starting to see strong moves, which I'll show you on the lower time frame. But you can see this stock has been looking messy, but this does tell us that this stock can perform really well. We just need to identify another linear period here before taking a position. So looking at current price action, if we start to see signs of this sort of trend unfolding, then we want to take pay attention to this stock, because once this, as you can see, once this trend finishes, once it completes, the trend usually, the chart usually becomes messy. So we want to make sure that we get in during this period, and when price starts to perform like this, we are investing in other stocks which are trending in a linear fashion. So right now, if I just zoom into this monthly time frame, we can see that we had a strong breakout in January. During February, we did see a strong move to the upside, but before the end of the month, we started to see a pullback in price, and the candle closed as an indecision candle. But price, as you'll see on the low time frame, has come down to a support and may well resume the bullish trend. On the weekly time frame, the color bars here, the trend filter indicates a bullish move right now. So strong impulsive moves happening in this stock. Over the last few weeks, it has been moving sideways, so we can see price has been consolidating, mini consolidation over the last few weeks, but may well resume the bull trend, because looking at price action prior to this area of mini consolidation, we did see a neat trend unfold from May 2022 to the current price. Looking at the daily time frame, the trend filter is currently gray, indicating an area of consolidation. Prior to these gray candles, we did see some green candles indicating a bullish move in this stock. And the 20, which is the blue line, the 20 simple moving average, and the orange line, the 50 simple moving average, have been holding as support. Most recent price action has seen price come down to the 20 simple moving average, which is what we want to see. If it mainly uses the 20, it indicates a strong trend is unfolding. So the fact that price is still holding at the 20 gives us an indication we should see a nice impulsive linear trend unfold. So similar, remember that period between 2008 to 2011, this does look similar to that period. So this is why we want to pay close attention. We do have positions in this stock because it formed some breakouts a few weeks ago and does continue to look strong. So price is trending nicely right now and may well continue to create new all-time highs. Price recently came down into this zone between the 20 and 50 simple moving averages, but did not break this recent low, this low from February the 10th at £23.66. So the fact that price did not come down to break this low gives us an indication that this pattern of higher highs and higher lows, this bull trend is still intact. So we're just waiting for a break and close above this recent high at £26 4 pence. This is the high from February 21st. When price breaks and closes above this high, this will confirm a continuation to the upside. And we may well see price continue to create new all-time highs. We also want to see price soar through the £30 round number and continue to trend for a number of years, similar to that period in 2008 to 2011. Let's take a quick look at hopefully that's given you a good idea of how this stock is performing, and we will continue to pick up some other hidden gems in the UK and US market, but this stock has the potential to perform really well. It's a slow creeper, but once it does start to move, it really moves, and it moves fast. So you want to make sure that you are jumping on board towards the start of the trend and compounding as the trend continues. Let's have a quick look before I go at the FTSE 100. So the FTSE 100, it's looking interesting. It did create new all-time highs last month. So you can see this strong spike above last month's candle. It broke above this previous all-time high set back in May 2018 at a level of 7,901, but was unable to close above this level. So indicating this is a strong level of resistance. But this month prices moved back above this previous all-time high, and so we've seen a bullish candle in play for March so far, but we want it to make its way above the high from February and create new all-time high. So this high is at 88,040. If price is able to break above this level and close above this level, then we should see further moves to the upside. But if you look at the history for the FTSE 100, not the strong looking history, the clear looking trend we can see based on this asset is between 1988 and 2000, before the market crash. So during this period, there was a long-term trend in the FTSE, but prior to that, following that area, there have been some trends, but mainly price has been in a very long-term area of consolidation. So what we want to see is, now that price is breaking and creating new all-time highs, we want to see another long-term trend unfold, similar to that period between 1988 and 2000. On the weekly time frame, the trend filter is green, indicating bullishness in this market right now, and price is also above this 50 simple moving average and the 200 simple moving average. And on the daily time frame, the trend filter here is gray. Prices currently using the 20 simple moving average as support. If this fails, then we have the 50 simple moving average below. But what we can see from this point, so from October 2022, price has been creating higher highs and higher lows, indicating a bull trend. So the fact that price is holding as at support, we are expecting a break and close above this recent high at 8,044, and that will also lead to a break above the 8,000 round number. So seeing that the FTSE is looking strong right now and looking bullish and moving to the upside, we can expect to see stocks such as Burberry and a few other hidden gems also pop on our radar and continue to create new all-time highs as well. So do ensure to keep an eye on this channel. Just wanted to bring you this quick update on Burberry and why we have entered a position and why we will continue to compound as long as the trend continues. So do follow us for some updates. Hit the like button, follow us so that you can be notified as soon as our videos go live. If you are watching the replay, then feel free to leave any comments, because we will be monitoring the chat section and will respond to any questions you may have. Okay, that's it for me today. I'm going to end this live stream. Look forward to seeing you all on the next live stream update. Thanks. Take care.